This is room 330. We're at the very, very end of the hallway where there are one set of elevators and a set of steps on the back. And this is 130. Not 130, 330. All right, so we got a double queen suite. Let me lay everything down here. You come in, there's like this nice little entryway. Come to the right, you have the bathroom area. Flipping all the lights on. All right. And of course, the staples. You got extra sheets, dryer, all that good stuff. Then you come in and it splits. To the right is the living room area. Has a pull-out couch. So it's an extra place to sleep. Pretty good size, actually. Nice desk tucked away over there. Pretty artwork. Who knows what that building is? Again, I'm in Nashville. There's your clue. And then come back over here. It is the bedroom. If I can find the light switch. And it is just two queens